So our daughter is turning 13 years old. 13 is a huge number.
Yes.
And the only thing she asks is for her room to be redone. She watches a lot of YouTube, which shows also TikTok videos of everybody restyling their rooms and using the LED lights and a bunch of stuff. So basically she had a list of things and everything involved her room being redone. So my husband and I decided what better way to celebrate her 13th birthday or to give her the biggest gift is to do her room. Say bye, Grace. Bye.
Starting the beginning of the project. Woo! This is so exciting. I can't wait. Look at my baby helping. Look at her, she's helping. Look at her.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You think you made out of muscle? Look, I'm helping you.
Gracie, let me see your muscles.
Okay. I like that. Nice, baby. I like that. Good find. Nice.
Okay, they have these lights, but they're black.
Yeah.
That would be nice to put on her desk as a clip.
The clip light?
Yeah, you could clip it on her desk.
Take me to your soul.
It's more, okay, yeah, that looks pretty.
What do we got? What's the name of the color?
That's glass.
Glass. Okay.
Which is very, very pretty.
Yeah.
Because it was, to me, when I was looking at it, it looked like kind of like green.
Yeah. It does have that tint to it.
It does. But it actually more, you can see the blue.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it.
Oh my gosh, we just saved some money. My husband asked me to drive, and obviously I don't want to feel like driving, so I'm leaving it to him. Say hi, Gracie.
No.
Say hi, Peach. Peach, say hi. Gracie, say hi, Peach.
No.
Say hi.
Ready? Oh, I still got my mask on. This is what I look like indoors.
Oh my God.
It ain't you today.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know who the boss is.
I woke up earlier than you, so you're the boss today.
She's the boss of the morning. You get your coffee, okay? You get your coffee.
You've been baking units.
Yeah, good job. Looking good, huh? Looking good.
Bam! It's done. Oh my God, baby, you like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's perfect. About 4:45. Still at it. How you doing?
I just finished putting the LED strips inside this room. Let's see if they work.
Okay, all
If
right.
they don't, I'm gonna be so upset.
Ready?
Dun, dun,
Dun.
dun.
We got light. She's gonna love it. Go ahead, girl.
I absolutely love the way it looks right now. There's gonna be LED lights around this room, different areas of the room, but I absolutely am obsessed with them. I actually got them on Amazon. Most of the items that we got are on Amazon, and we're gonna put them in the link below so you guys can go and purchase them for your kids or for yourself. All right, so we purchased this beautiful bed for my daughter. She actually was requesting this, and we didn't even know this is the one she wanted, but we got this on Facebook Market because we are savers. So we got this, and originally we were gonna stay with the bottom of this bed, this bed frame, and then we decided to change it because the front of this bed was to a bunk bed, and we don't like the way it looks. So we went out and we purchased a bed frame. Now time to put it on. So much better. So instead of building storage bins for under the bed, we've decided to use a toy box that we have. And we're actually gonna paint it white and leave the top the wood finish and put that in front of her bed. Right, baby? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, baby. Let's go!
Baby, I love it already.
Looks good, babe.
Yeah, 100%.
You get the final coat on here, so it looks really nice, huh?
Yeah, I think we'll just have to put two because it's dark.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm recording you, doofus. You do as much as you can and I'll finish up.
Okay. Oh, is that what we do?
That's what we do.
Is that what we do?
Yeah.
You want white lipstick?
So this will be a TikTok inspired room. So one of the things that we did do is we looked up online, did a lot of research, and we found that this is very popular. So we went to our closest guitar center and we found this for $50. I was gonna get them on Amazon, but on Amazon I believe it's $65. So I suggest you going to Guitar Center or Target. They were sold out in our Target, so we got them at Guitar Center. So we love this, these bins right here. So I'm actually going to be spray painting these golds up here and filling these up with different items and put them in the shelf right there. I also purchased,
Is that playing?
it is!
Oh, it's playing, okay.
Now we're gonna put it on the wall.
Let's put this accordion on the wall!
We got lights! She wanted a collage, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do a collage and then we're gonna do the mirror there. My husband's going to go get the mirror. We were originally gonna do the pictures there, get 8x10s, but we absolutely love that instead.
Fucking chopper.
Ow!
You okay?
Shut up.
Ready.
All right, so it's a moment of truth right now. My husband put it up. It looks absolutely stunning with these pictures. I mean, I recommend this to every teenager, adulting person that's under 23. This is so really cute. Good. So
hold on, let me just take it. Oh, that's beautiful.
You just want to take it in, don't you?
You did a good job on that. Looks good.
All right, you ready?
All right, ready.
Okay, let's see.
Yes. Awesome.
I love it.
Aww, I like it.
This looks absolutely stunning.
Fantastic.
Stunning,
really,
stunning,
really
stunning, stunning.
What's your favorite part of the room?
There's too many, honestly.
I got a favorite.
What's your favorite?
The office.
Yours is
the office, yeah.
I know the office is bad.
The LED lights, yeah.
I love the LED
really nice.
lights.
It came out really nice. Okay, guys, this seems to be the last day. I'm gonna get everything done. Coming to a close here. I've got a few pieces of molding trim to get on. This is what we have here up in the ceiling now. We're gonna replace that with this.
You guys check this out. Dick, can you do my garage, bro? What is? Look at this, guys.
This used to be her coat closet. What we did was just completely just took out all the racks and everything, painted. My wife came up with this design on the top. I think they added a little more pop to the closet itself. And then we added the LED around the inside.
I feel like
She hasn't seen it yet?
No, she hasn't seen it.
She don't know nothing about it yet.
Who thought of that? No, it wasn't you.
She had a list of that she
Of stuff that
all that
she
she wanted. Everything on this list that she wrote, it was already in here. She didn't talk to us about anything on this list. We got everything.
She didn't mention. So you found this list, please?
Yeah, we found it. That's why I just took it out of the page, but I found the list and everything on that list we got.
We got a surprise for you.
I need help putting my smartwatch on. Guys like my smartwatch.
Oh. You got a smartwatch?
Yes.
Give me that smartwatch.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
You ready? No.
Ready, Nani?
This does not look like my room.
What do you think?
It looks really good.
You like it?
I got Winnie Shipway.
Go back, look it.
Oh my goodness.
You like it?
Okay,
My books. They're in rainbow color.
You
It's
ready?
that small stuff,
Look at
huh?
let's touch your floor. You remember the carpet you asked for? Okay.
What do you think about that? Huh?
It looks really good.
So the best thing about it, Nani, all this is light sensitive, so you can touch a button, you can make it brighter, or you can make it a little bit less brighter.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Wait, but there's more.
Oh, this is all sound activated. It's all powered by Alexa, what you have over there. You see that?
Yeah.
Snap your finger.
Hi.
You got your desk lamp right here that you asked for.
I love it. This does not look like my old room. Not at all.
First off, you got your chair.
Yep.
And then
Can I sit on it?
Yeah, go ahead, sit
Of
on
course
it.
you can sit on it.
Go ahead, boo boo. And look at mommy. You got a book right here on the side. It holds book.
Ooh.
My prayer book.
Yep.
That's
Hallelujah.
right. Hallelujah.
She holds her the glassware. So here's your scrunchies. Here's your lip gloss. Here's your mask. And here's your
Slime.
slime.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you got this right here, right? And
Watch this thought. Stand back.
Stand back. You ready? Oh. You see this right here? This controls that. Look up.
Have her hold it.
Hold on, hold it.
Okay, now dim. You can dim it. Press this. Change it again. Change it again. Okay. Now press this one.
There's that one.
Change it again. Change it again. Change it again. Now leave it there.
No, wait, leave it there. Hold on. Wait, there's more.
One more. Ready? You ready? Come
Hold
over
on.
here.
Look at this.
Come over here. I already know what that is. You ready?
You don't even know
Look
what
up.
it is? Look it up.
Look up. You love it?
I didn't even see that.
That plays music. And then this, of course, is your soft pillow. You got your decorative pillows like you asked for. Oh, yeah. There's different
There's different settings. Look at it,
Oh my
look at it.
goodness.
Watch.
Nice, look at that, Nani, huh?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You got your
Two
soup
desks.
right
Look
here.
at your headboard.
Look at your headboard.
Yeah.
And then your light, mommy. Your light. Press your light on right here. You got your lamp that you asked for.
There you
Oh, that's right. I still like it.
Nani, your room is amazing.
Turn up.
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Is it beyond your expectations?
Yes.
go. Big
Give
time.
me a hug, baby.
Thank
Happy
you, Mommy,
birthday,
so much.
mommy. You're welcome. I love you.
Love
Big
you.
13, baby.
So wait.
Yo,
Is this-
damn, Greg, he can't get it all over.
this.
You know what I'm saying?
What?
Yeah, with the help of my wife.
The brain to go.
Yeah, there you go.
Surprise everyone too? Should we surprise everyone too?
Nah, they'll just walk into it, man. They're gonna be like, damn, this is a nightclub.
Whoa!
Look at the sky, look at the sky, look at the sky.
That's so cool!
Way better than any birthday gift?
Yes.
Give me this one.